After the Unpacked event, the new Galaxy devices hype coming to an end, and the upcoming Google Pixel devices are set to steal the spotlight. Pixel 9 series leaks are pouring in from all directions. In just a few days, we got to see Pixel 9 in a video, Pixel 9 Pro Fold name confirmation, Pixel 9 series prices, and much more. In addition to the Pixel 9, the 9 Pro XL has now made an appearance in 3 hands-on videos, with the first one providing a comparison of the size and design between the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, while the second video compares the Pixel 9 Pro XL with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the last one compares the device with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. These videos have been shared by a TikTok account called Pixo Unpacking. The first video offers a direct size comparison between the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL, confirming the latter's expected larger form factor. There's a noticeable size difference between the expected 6.24-inch screen on the Pixel 9 and the 6.73-inch 9 Pro XL, but it's not too drastic. The Pixel 9 Pro is rumored to come in at 6.34 inches. The camera bar on the Pixel 9 Pro XL houses 3 rear cameras in a single cutout, along with an LED flash and temperature sensor. The power and volume keys are located on the right side frame, similar to the Pixel 9, and at the bottom, there is a SIM tray, Type-C port, and a speaker grille. Additionally, the Pixel 9 Pro XL features ultra-wideband, which the base model does not have. The second video showcases the Pixel 9 Pro XL alongside Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, providing a good comparison of the upcoming Pixel's size and how it stacks up against Samsung's flagship. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly taller, but its boxy design makes the device appear even larger. And the third video shows us the Pixel 9 Pro XL alongside iPhone 15 Pro Max, which as you can see looks almost similar if we look at the front. We can't decide which device is which until turning it on. As we already know, Google's launch strategy for the Pixel line seems to be in flux this year. The company is deviating from its usual schedule with a surprise event set for August 13th, 2 months earlier than typical Pixel launches. While this might have been intended to mitigate leaks, the current flow of information suggests otherwise. Additionally, the Pixel 9 series is expanding to include 4 distinct models: the Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 is the direct successor to the Pixel 8, while the 9 Pro XL takes over from the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 9 Pro offers the same internal hardware as the Pro XL, but in a more compact body size, similar to the standard Pixel 9. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold rounds out the bunch as the successor to the original Pixel Fold. Adding to the frenzy, possible pricing for all 4 devices has been revealed in a leak earlier this week. The news wasn't entirely positive. While some prices hold steady compared to last year's models, a bunch of them are likely to see a price increase. The price for the vanilla model will be €899 with 128 gigs of storage, and €999 with 256 gigs. The Pixel 9 Pro will be about the same size as the Pixel 9, but will feature more cameras. This one will start at $1099 with 128, go up to $1199 with 256, and €1,329 if you need 512 gigs. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will have the same innards as the Pixel 9 Pro, but will be larger. Size-wise, this is the true successor to the Pixel 8 Pro. It will start at $1199 with 128, will go up to $1299 with 256, $1429 with 512, and €1,689 with 1 terabyte. The 1 terabyte version will only be available in Obsidian. The 128 and 512 gigs models add porcelain and hazel, while the 256 gigs variant is the only one also offered in pink. It's not easy to make sense of this strategy for us either, don't worry. Finally, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be the successor to the original Pixel Fold from last year. This one will set you back $1899 with 256 and €2,029 with 512 gigs. It will be available in Obsidian and porcelain only. As with all pricing leaks in euros, note that different VAT levels might create small variations across the EU, but if this leak is accurate, then that's what you should expect as a baseline. Anyway, a new report today claims that the Pixel 9 lineup will all have ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensors. So far, all Pixels used optical in-display scanners, and now they're apparently switching to the exact same sensor model that Samsung is using in its Galaxy S24 series. The 3D Sonic Gen 2 sensor is made by Qualcomm. Ultrasonic sensors don't need to light up the part of the display that your finger touches in order to scan your print, and are also generally faster and more reliable than optical ones. So this is a good step forward, and ultrasonic sensors also work if your finger is wet. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will stick with a side-mounted capacitive sensor embedded into its power button, according to the same report. Meanwhile, Google Pixels have always been recognized for their advanced AI capabilities, setting them apart from other smartphones. From the beginning, Google has dedicated itself to developing unique and practical features, and with the current focus on LLM technology, it's no surprise that the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series will offer even more sophisticated AI experiences. According to a source within Google, Android Authority has uncovered that Google is gearing up to unveil a new set of NL features under the umbrella of Google AI, which will include a feature similar to Microsoft's controversial Recall. This new suite will consist of a combination of fresh innovations and existing functionalities. While Circle to Search and Gemini are already accessible on Pixels and various third-party devices, Google AI will introduce 3 entirely new features. One of these features, Add Me, promises to ensure that everyone is included in a grouped photo. This new addition seems to be an enhanced version of Best Take, which not only alters people's expressions in a photo, but also merges different takes featuring various individuals. This move indicates Google's commitment to emphasizing the subject matter of a photo over the actual content, suggesting that AI could offer a solution to this challenge. A new addition to the lineup is Studio, which appears to be an upgraded version of the Creative Assistant app we've seen previously. Early indications suggest that Studio will be integrated into the Screenshot Editor app on Pixels, enabling users to create unique stickers through a remixing process. However, the app's capabilities seem to extend beyond just sticker creation, hinting at a more comprehensive generative AI image generator akin to Apple's Image Playground. It's important to note that Google has been actively developing its image and video generating models, with tools like ImageFX allowing users to experiment with the Google Imagen 2 model. Additionally, VideoFX, currently in closed beta, expands this functionality to video content. The integration of Studio into other Google apps is something to look forward to, as it could potentially revolutionize the creative process for users. One of the standout features is Pixel Screenshots, which bears a resemblance to Microsoft's Recall feature. Recall, exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs running Windows 11, automatically captures user activity and utilizes on-device AI to facilitate quick information retrieval. However, privacy concerns arose when it was discovered that potential attackers could access stored data, prompting Microsoft to pause the feature's rollout for further refinement. The development of these innovative features underscores the ongoing evolution of technology and its impact on user experiences. Apart from this, Google has taken a different approach to this feature, focusing more on privacy. Instead of capturing everything automatically, it will only process screenshots that you take yourself. The app will then add additional metadata, such as app names and web links, before being analyzed by a local AI. This new implementation seems to offer a more secure way to search for specific screenshots and ask questions about them. So, what do you think about these new hands-on video of the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.